from beginner to advanced. Today I would like to learn you about how to use anti-hash child in CSS. This anti-hash child allow you to select an element from your HTML. Do you see in this HTML I have an unordered list, and inside I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 item list. I would like to show you how to select these elements. First element, do you remember in the last episode we discussed about how to select with JavaScript using some properties, first element child, last element child, or sibling, no, previous element sibling, or next element sibling. But I would like in this episode to learn you how to select an element using CSS. Do you see here I have 6 item element, and during this video I will show you how to select some item. Okay, firstly you should to know what is the syntax of this pseudo class anti-hash child, because this is a pseudo class like a hover, for example, or before after in CSS other pseudo classes. But this anti-hash child help you to select an element from HTML. Okay, let's see the syntax. The syntax for this pseudo class is element pseudo class 2 points is the sign for the pseudo class, the name of pseudo class anti-hash child, and a parameter n. This parameter can be a number or it can be a formula. For example, here I have a number, and I write that I want to select the element on the n position. This n position can be 1, for example. I put here 1, and also I put here instead element I put my element li, no, because I have li element. And this line I will put in CSS, in my CSS. And before this quotes I will put the attributes. I want to be font weight to be bold and color to be red. And this item, because here I have 1, no, do you see here in syntax is anti-hash child element li anti-hash child 1, n I put 1, but you can put also formula n plus 1 over 2n plus 1. Like parameter you can put a number or a formula for accessing the element that you want to select. Okay, in my case, first example, I have this 1 element on position 1, and I want to be color red, and this red. Let's put again a background color. Another attribute in this pseudo class, and I have this green background color. Okay, but I tell you that you can put a formula. Okay, let's put again a formula. I have this Lee, pseudo class nth child, and instead one first element now I will put 2n, and the background I will change in coral. Well, let's see what happened. What happened here? Nth child coral, and background is for put green. Do you see is the second 1 2 3 4 2 4 and 6, 2 4 and 6. That means is 2 multiply n. 2 by 2. If you want to put to select from 2 by 2, we put this to n. If we put just n, do you see all elements are changed? You put to n a formula 2 by 2, you put 3n, from 3 by 3 your element will be selected because n is 1 initially. Okay, let's see. I want to select just odd element. Sorry. I will put here instead this formula, I will put odd, and do you see oh my god, do you see here just odd element 1 3 5, and if you want to select even, element, you put even. Two, 4, 6. Okay, you will use even or odd, and also for select element, the syntax is element, in my case Lee, and a hash child, and parameter is n. You can put a formula instead, parameter 2n, 3n, or 3n plus 1. Let me to put here 2n plus 1 or n plus 1, n plus 1, background color green. Let's see what happened. N plus 1 is 2, no? The second, background color green, or red, and I will delete even, because even is n plus 1. No, okay, and now I have override my n plus 1, and you have here this. Let's see if working with minus. If I put here minus, no, just with plus. Okay, if you want to put for example 4n, It's 1 2 3 4. Just this item 4 will be with red. 1 2 3 4. And after probably 8 will be, let's put again other two element, 7 and 8, and 8 will be also with red because I put from 4 to 4, no 4 and that is all for today. I hope you understand what I say here. Don't forget this anti-hash child, it's very useful. And one more thing, let me to show you, because you can select using JavaScript, you can select this element using query selector, and you use the selector from CSS. Do you see here I create a variable in JavaScript lead2, and with query selector I selected this anti-hash child 2. Anti-hash child 2 is this element now. Okay, and now should to put just a background color, but now from JavaScript, and I have background color green here. You see using the CSS you can select element, but after you can use also JavaScript and take this element from CSS. Now you can select from CSS the selector anti-hash child, for example, but you can put here whatever you want, and you can manipulate it in JavaScript. That was all for today. I hope you understand. All the best.